Imagine standing in front of a mirror, noticing dullness, dryness, or maybe those fine lines starting to make themselves known. You're not alone. Many of us wish we could rewind the clock to revive our skin's natural glow and resilience. But what if I told you that, with the right guidance, you could set your skin on a path to restoration, without harsh chemicals or invasive treatments? Let's dive into the natural journey of skin repair. It all starts with understanding one key element: your skin's microbiome. Yes, just like your gut, your skin has its own ecosystem of bacteria that protect it. When this delicate balance is disrupted, often by stress, pollution, or overly abrasive skincare products, your skin struggles to maintain its natural barrier. The good news? You can support your microbiome and restore balance with simple, natural steps. First, let's talk about hydration. And I'm not just talking about drinking more water, though that's definitely important. You see, your skin's hydration largely depends on two factors: the water you consume and the moisture your skin can retain. Research shows that humectants like glycerin or aloe vera help draw water into the skin, while natural oils, like jojoba and rosehip, seal in that moisture. Applying these after a shower, when your skin is damp, can work wonders. Now, here's a twist you may not expect: honey. Raw, unfiltered honey is a powerhouse of skin restoration. Rich in antioxidants, it's not only soothing but has antibacterial properties that can help fight acne while keeping your skin smooth and hydrated. Consider using it as a gentle face mask a couple of times a week, applying a thin layer and rinsing it off with warm water after about 15 minutes. Many people notice a visible difference within a few weeks of regular use. And while we're on the subject of natural ingredients, let's not overlook the role of vitamins, specifically vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C is known to brighten skin and even out complexion by stimulating collagen production, which is key to keeping the skin firm and resilient. On the other hand, vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping repair skin damage caused by free radicals from UV exposure and pollution. Foods like citrus fruits, almonds, and avocados are rich in these vitamins. Incorporating them into your diet nourishes your skin from within, giving it that much-needed glow. Next, there's something simple yet transformative: sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that are essential for skin repair and collagen production. But it's not just about how much you sleep, it's about quality. Experts recommend sleeping in a slightly elevated position to reduce fluid buildup around the eyes and using a silk pillowcase, which minimizes friction and prevents skin creases that turn into wrinkles over time. Let's not forget stress. Stress triggers cortisol production, which breaks down collagen and leads to premature aging. One powerful yet often overlooked way to manage stress is through deep breathing exercises. Taking 5 minutes a day to focus on your breath can reduce cortisol levels, helping your skin maintain its elasticity and vibrancy. Finally, here's a bonus tip for that extra touch of radiance: gentle exfoliation with a natural scrub, like finely ground oats or coffee grounds, once a week. This removes dead skin cells that accumulate on the surface, allowing the fresh, healthy skin underneath to shine through. Just remember not to overdo it. Too much exfoliation can strip your skin of its natural oils and leave it more vulnerable. So, here's the takeaway: nourishing your skin naturally is all about balance and consistency. By embracing hydration, using natural ingredients like honey and vitamins, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and gently exfoliating, you can help your skin repair and renew itself. Nature has gifted us the tools. We just have to use them wisely.